How to see when someone was last online on Roblox. Easy Guide 2026. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see when someone was last online on Roblox. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app or website and log into your account. Step 1. Search for the user. Tap on the search icon. Now type the username of the person you want to check. Select their profile from the results. Step 2. Check online status. Once you open their profile, look under their username. If they are active, you'll see online or in-game. Important truth. Roblox does not show exact last seen or last online time like some other apps. You can only see if they are currently online or what game they are playing. Alternative method. Limited info. If the user has joins enabled or is in your friends list, you might see what game they recently played or activity updates. Why you can't see last seen. This is due to privacy settings in Roblox. They don't provide exact last active timestamps to protect users. Bonus tip. If you want better tracking, add the person as a friend. This increases the chances of seeing their activity. And that's it. Now you know how to check someone's online status on Roblox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.